Hi there everybody, welcome to today's lesson. Today you're going to be multiplying two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers using something called the grid method. So to get started with that, you need to partition your numbers. So I know that part of 34 is 30 and the other part of 34 is of course 4. So I've partitioned the first two-digit 34 into two different parts, 30 and 4. We're going to do the same for 22, which would give me 20 is part of 22. The second part is, of course, 2. So once you've partitioned your numbers, you're then going to put them into the grid. I have put the grid, a blank copy of a grid, into today's notes section in the maths box for today. So you can copy one from yourself. You can copy into that one yourself, or you can draw your own in your books. If you're drawing your own, please make sure you put the X in the top left corner. It's really important you've got this space here, and then you leave 2 spaces underneath and 2 spaces to the right. Once I have partitioned my two-digit numbers, I'm going to put them into this grid. So you'll notice I will put the 30 from 34 here and the 4 into the next box over. I'll do the same underneath. I'm going to take the 20 from 22 here and the 2 and put it there. That's really important because our next step is we're going to multiply each part of those digits separately. And I'll show you how to do that now. So we've got 20 times 30. To do 20 times 30, we know the answer to 20 times 30 is going to be 600. Very sorry, I deleted everything there. 20 times 30 is, of course, 600. We know that 2 times 3 is 6, and we have 2 zeros, so we can put those on to make 600. Then we're going to stick with our 20, and we're going to do 20 times 4. 20 times 4 is 80. 2 times 4 is 8, and then we put the 0 on the end. So we have just done 20 times 30, 20 times 4. Now we're going to move on to our 2. We're going to do 2 times 30, which gives us 60. Once again, we know 2 times 3 is 6. We put the 0 on the end to make it that 10 times bigger. Then we do 2 times 4, which we know to be 8. Once we've got all of these answers, all the parts multiplied together, all we have to do is add them together. Which seems like a strange step in multiplication. So I've got it written down just here for us. We have got the 600, add the 80, add the 60, add the 8, which all together would make 748. So I've added each answer inside this grid here. I've added them all together, and I know the answer is now 748. That does seem like a bit of a long way to do it. A quicker way is you can add up each of these rows. So I know that 600 add 80 is 680. Then I know 60 add 8 is 68. Add those together and I get the same answer of 748. So your task for today is to use the grid method to multiply two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. To do that, you have to separate the number into its different parts, then multiply those parts together, and then add the answers to those calculations. Once you've done that, you should have your answer. Hopefully that's useful for everybody. Your tasks for today are to multiply the numbers in the Do It challenge, Twist It challenge, and there is also a Secure It challenge where you have to write a little explanation of either always, sometimes, or never true. The product of two-digit numbers is a 4-digit number. So it's up to you to decide, but say only try the Secure It challenge if you're feeling really confident after doing the Do It and the Twist It challenges. If you have any questions today, guys, please send us an email or leave a comment on the website. We really enjoy seeing all the great work you've been up to, so please make sure you email any of your brilliant work to us today. Thanks, guys, and have a good rest of the day.